Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about the atexit module. So atexit is going to allow you to define functions which can be registered to execute on normal exit of your application. So this is not going to be these are not going to be executed if the script is killed or terminated in a not normal fashion, but you can use it to, well, let me show you how. So at exit message, so print the underscore name has completed. Import at exit that register at exit message. Let's save it. Python at exit.py. As you can see, this has completed. What you can also do is to pass different arguments to this. So let's say we would like to have the def at exit with args A and B, print the value of A and B at exit with args 1 and 2. Let's save it and hold on, bad syntax. So 1 and 2. Alright. And we can pass arguments, and we can also pass keyword arguments. So def at exit with quarks A equals 10, B equals 20, print, and let me copy and paste this one, and let's remove this one. So that will show us the default arguments or keyword argument values, but we can say that A is equal whatever and B is equal wherever. Alright, so now what we would like to do is to check the order of the registered functions. So let's create a new one. This is going to be called at2.py, and we would like to go ahead and create the def A, print I am the A function, and B and C. So let's call this B, let's call this C, and we import the at exit, and at exit that register A, B and C. And now what we would like to do is to execute, and as you can see, they are executed in the reverse order of the registration. So the first one is executed the last, and let's increase the stakes, so to speak. So what we would like to do is to play a little game. So what we would like to do is to try to open a file called C as F and accept let's call this 83.py and read to the global, not global, but like counter equals f.read, and make this an integer, except print the file does not exist. So our counter value is going to be 0. Now what we would like to do is to go ahead and for I in range counter, or rather 10, we would like to go ahead and increase the counter with the value of I, and we would like to create the save counter function, and with open C as write, we would like to use the f.write to save the value of counter and import the atexit, and after that we can print the value of counter and register, hold on, atexit that register save counter. So in an ideal situation, what would happen is that when the script starts, it tries to read the number that we have in the file called C. If it succeeds, we are going to have a value from there, otherwise it will be 0. Then we issue a loop, and it is going to iterate from 0 to 9 and add the value to the counter, and upon exit it will save the counter itself. So if we execute it, Python atexit 3, it is going to, must be string not int, alright. So it's 45, 90, 135. So as you can see, we have the state of our small script saved inside the file, and it can pick up where it left off. So it's a pretty neat trick that could be used to add as a functionality into your own applications. See you in